How to determine premium over spot price for gold coins. When investing in gold coins, it's essential to understand the premium over the spot price. This premium, influenced by various factors, is the amount above the current market price of gold. Here's the guide to determining this premium. 10 key factors to determine premium over spot price for gold coins. 1. Coin rarity and demand. Rare coins or those in limited supply often have higher premiums due to scarcity and collector interest. 2. Coin condition and grading. Coins in better condition or those graded highly by experts usually command a higher premium. 3. Mint origin. Coins from reputable mints, like the U.S. Mint or Royal Canadian Mint, often carry higher premiums due to their trusted quality. 4. Coin size and weight. Smaller coins often have higher premiums per ounce compared to larger coins, mainly due to higher relative minting costs. 5. Historical significance. Coins with historical value or significance often have higher premiums, as collectors may prize these beyond their gold content. 6. Market volatility. During market volatility or economic uncertainty, premiums can increase as demand for gold as a safe asset rises. 7. Dealer markup. Different dealers may add varying markups over the spot price to cover costs and profit, affecting the premium. 8. Packaging and presentation. Special packaging or certificates can increase a coin's premium, especially among collectors. 9. Geopolitical factors. Political instability can drive up premiums as gold is sought after for wealth preservation. 10. Supply chain logistics. Transportation, insurance, and handling costs can add to the premium, especially for coins shipped from distant locations. Understanding these factors helps investors make informed decisions and better navigate the gold coin market. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.